In this short video, I'll show you how to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Are you tired of juggling multiple social media accounts? Imagine effortlessly managing your Facebook and Instagram presence from one central hub. By connecting your Meta accounts, you'll unlock a world of possibilities, simplifying your social media strategy and saving you valuable time. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including connecting social media accounts. Stay with me until the end to discover how to fix any errors you encounter. Let's start with methods to link Instagram to Facebook business pages. The first method is connecting through Facebook. To start, head over to Facebook and log in. Click your profile photo in the top right corner. Then click See All Profiles and select the page you want to connect. Click your page's profile picture in the top right corner. Click Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Under Permissions, click Linked Accounts. Next to Instagram, click View. Click Connect Account and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Facebook page and Instagram account. This will make the connection. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to link Facebook to Instagram. The second method is connecting through Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Make sure your Instagram account is switched to a professional account. You can do this by going to Settings. Check our dedicated video on how to switch it properly. Now that you are switched, tap Edit Profile. Under Public Business Profile Information, select Page. Choose Connect an existing page. Then log into Facebook if prompted. Select the Facebook page you want to connect to your Instagram account, then click Connect and confirm the connection. With this, you will successfully connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Now you can enjoy the benefits of managing both platforms from one place. Remember, you must have admin access to the Facebook page you want to connect. You can also disconnect the accounts at any time by following similar steps and selecting Disconnect Account. But what if you're unable to connect Instagram to a Facebook page? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to fix when you can't log into Instagram with Facebook. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.